This video is about engine cleaning. Did it in 3 stages. The first stage, I use a rim degreaser, a cleaner. You can see when you spray it slowly, it's kind of like liquidy. When you spray it hard, when you push hard the trigger, it's great foam. I think that the foam is better because it stay on the metal and start working. When it start working, this specific one become purplish, so you can see it. I spray most of it, and basically then I kind of like sand it by hand with Scotch-Brite and brushes. And it's not an easy task, but it's not complicated. You just need tolerance and some time. If I will sum all the time that I consume on the engine until that stage of today, it's approximately a whole full day, something like 10 hours. Then in the next stage we did the same, but we use a Dremel to get into the little gap, and you can see it in the second one. This is the first stage. It's look alright. I was not pleased with that. I want to take things to the other level. So stage 2, it's a Dremel. My sister-in-law was helping to get into detailing. She had the tolerance to sit down and do it properly. She did a wonderful job, and it's a pleasure to be with her. Then we put the engine on the table and we clean the bottom. You can see here it's degreaser, engine degreaser to the bottom, and then a toothbrush at that point, and some other brush and Scotch-Brite to take the heavy thing. And then after that it will be Dremel and sanding to get kind of like a shiny smooth surface. Nothing specific, just be aware when you're doing that to seal all the gaps. You don't want anything to get back into the engine, especially not the chip or something. The cylinder head, in that case, I'm gonna dismantle them and take them to sandblasting, and then I will paint them. The engine have been serviced on time and everything, but I'm gonna replace some of the gaskets. It's the crucial one: oil filter, of course filter, and exhaust, exit, cylinder head, spark area on the cylinder head, and some other. Here in the next part, you can see the difference between, even after the degreaser, the upper part is after the degreaser, and the second part is after a Dremel and sanding it with sandpaper and special Scotch-Brite to create a bite. You can see the difference. Here the head is just, this is the cylinder, and where the piston is, and it's bright. It's going to be amazing to paint it. I think it's going to be a nice experience to see how it's came out. You can see the difference between a sanding part to just Dremel part. In the camera it looks dirty. In reality it doesn't look dirty. You can see the brush marks, but in principle it's brilliant. But I like it like that. That's how it should be. Most of the engine isn't been sanded, and it's almost done. A few bits and bobs that I need to take care of, and then it will be a video on painting the engine. I hope you enjoy, and I hope to see you soon in the next video, and I hope I will have time to make some more and help you guys. Cheers!